Background information about the P-38 Lightning Stat 3. It was introduced in 1941. It was manufactured in the United Kingdom. The P-38 was activated on October 15, 1943 at Grand Central Air Terminal.
The engine was 2 Allison B/1710/111/113. It was liquid cooled, it had a turbo and supercharged. It was a V12. The max speed is 443 miles per hour. It had a range of 1,300 miles in combat. The P-38 came with one Hispano M2, a 20 mm Canyon, 4 Colt Browning M653/2, a 0.5 inch machine gun. The wingspan is 52 feet. The length was 37 feet 10 inches long. The height was 9 feet 10 inches. The wing area is 327.5 square feet. The P-38 was ran by one person. It had bulletproof glass and armored plates for protection. It would carry bombs and rockets. The bomb was 4 M10s with 3 tubes that are 4.5 inches or up to 4,000 pounds. The rocket was a 10 by 5 inches that was a high-velocity aircraft rocket. Over 10,000 P-38s were made.
The P-38 was a new American fighter plane. The plane was used for its speed. What it could climb to 3,300 feet in 1 minute. The plane was 100 miles per hour faster than any other plane. The plane also had a better carrying capacity for a smaller plane. It patrolled beaches during invasions, and it was used to escort missions and for area patrols. It was used in the Battle of Bulge, and it retired in 1949.
Some of the background on the European front. The Treaty of Versailles made Germany so desperate that when Hitler came in, he made promises to Germany to rebuild the economy, rebuild the empire, and stabilize the government. Then later on, he made the Enabling Act, which made it so the government could get rid of chaos. But in doing so, Hitler took advantage, and on September 1st, 1939, Germany invaded Poland, and World War II started. The Allies' goals for the Battle of D-Day was to defeat Germany first. They sent in 150,000 Allied troops that entered by either air or sea along a 50-mile invasion front. The Allies won. There were 5,000 casualties.